Marlin. It has a long, spear-like bill. It lives in deep blue oceans. It sprints swiftly after moving fish. Sailfish. It has a tall, sail-like fin. It lives in warm seas. It raises the sail while hunting. Wahoo. It has stripes and a narrow body. It lives in tropical oceans. It swims extremely fast when chasing prey. Bonito. It has dark lines on sides. It lives in open waters. It travels in lively, flashing schools. Yellowfin tuna. It has bright yellow fins. It lives in warm, offshore seas. It powers long journeys across oceans. Atlantic mackerel. It has wavy lines on back. It lives in temperate seas. It forms big, shining schools. Anchovy. It has a slender silver body. It lives near coastal waters. It filters tiny plankton for food. Sardine. It has a small, silvery shape. It lives in large ocean shoals. It moves together like glittering clouds. Herring. It has bright scales and soft fins. It lives in northern seas. It flashes light when turning together. Atlantic cod. It has a chin barbel. It lives on cold sea bottoms. It gathers near banks to feed. Haddock. It has a dark shoulder spot. It lives in North Atlantic waters. It nibbles worms and small shellfish. Pacific halibut. It has both eyes on one side. It lives on sandy bottoms. It lies flat and waits quietly. Summer flounder. It has a camouflaged flat body. It lives in shallow coastal areas. It changes color to match sand. Dover sole. It has tiny scales and soft skin. It lives on gentle sea floors. It wiggles into mud to hide. Grouper. It has a thick, strong body. It lives near reefs and ledges. It opens a big mouth to suck prey. Red snapper. It has rosy scales and red eyes. It lives over reefs offshore. It hovers calmly above structures. Tarpon. It has large, shiny scales. It lives near warm coasts. It gulps air at the surface. Bonefish. It has a slender silver frame. It lives on sandy flats. It digs for worms with its mouth. Needlefish. It has a very long snout. It lives near the surface. It skims quickly over calm water. Half-beak. It has a short top jaw. It lives along tropical shores. It nibbles floating plants and small crustaceans. Remora. It has a suction disc on head. It lives attached to big animals. It hitches rides to find food.